Hello dear students, welcome to the chemistry sessions. Here we discuss the part is biomolecules. This particular is carbohydrates. Carbohydrate में पहला जो that is we know that C6H12O6 and this is having what? This one is glucose and fructose. Well, this is the molecular formula of the glucose and the fructose are the carbohydrates. So how it is obtained, how it is formed? ये form कैसे होता है, prepare कैसे होता है, synthesis कैसे होता है? So we are having this water C12H22O11. So this is one of the sucrose is here. This is sucrose, cane sugar we can say. This is the cane sugar. So then next one we are having this water again same molecules, that is also this maltose. Okay, maltose is there. C12H22 again O11. This is what maltose. So another next method we can say this water C6H10O5. So this is what n times. This is the polymer. It is what a polymer. Starch. इसको कहते हैं starch. ये starch है. So this is nothing but what potato. You know this is the potatoes which contain this is the potatoes. Potatoes है. So this is what three molecules here: maltose, sucrose, and the starch. What is here? Addition of water molecule. It is nothing but hydrolysis in dilute hydrochloric acid. Hydrolysis in what? It will contain H2SO4 sulfuric acid. Here in what? At addition again this is the acid H plus, and here what? Addition of water molecule in presence of what? H2SO4 sulfuric acid. So whatever here the particularly one of the reaction. This is the types of the industrial reaction. This is the industrial reaction. This is laboratory reactions. What is laboratory synthesis? Laboratory preparation. Formation of C6H12O6. यहाँ पे मिलेगा C6H12O6. So what is that? Here formation of glucose and the fructose. So this is formation 50% glucose and 50% fructose. 50% glucose and 50% sucrose. So this is what a mixture. This is the what a mixture of two isomer. How it is separate? How it is this is a separate between these two isomer or two molecules. One is glucose and another is what a fructose. Here we can one of the mixture one beaker and which added these two molecules, this glucose and fructose. यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? इसका मिक्सचर लेंगे और इसमें हम अल्कोहल है ना, अल्कोहल ऐड करेंगे. Suppose this is the addition of the alcohol among these one among these one is a soluble. तो इसमें soluble होने के बाद यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे? फनेल लेंगे. यहाँ पे हम लेते हैं फनेल, यहाँ पे लेते हैं फिल्ट्रेट पेपर. अब इसको क्या करेंगे? पुअर करेंगे. इसमें क्या करेंगे? इसको पुअर करेंगे. पुअर करने के बाद जो सोल्यूबल होगा वो फिल्ट्रेट होकर सॉल्यूशन यहाँ पे इसका फॉर्म होगा. दिस इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फिल्ट्रेट. ये फिल्ट्रेट जो आएगा ये सॉल्यूशन के फॉर्म में आएगा. इट इज सोल्यूबल. तो यहाँ पे होगा हमारा फ्रुक्टोज. क्या होगा? फ्रुक्टोज. और ये जो बचेगा यहाँ पे इन द फॉर्म ऑफ क्रिस्टलाइन फॉर्म. ये जो क्रिस्टलाइन फॉर्म के फॉर्म में यहाँ पे रहेगा वो रहेगा ग्लूकोज. क्या रहेगा? ग्लूकोज. तो इसका मतलब ये है कि हमने इसको सेपरेट किया. ऊपर वाला जो क्रिस्टल के फॉर्म में है ना, so that is in the form of residue. You can say this is crystal form. This is the glucose. It is a soluble in a alcohol, that is what a fructose. Then we can separate by using the alcohol. So this glucose and fructose. Here this is maltose again hydrolysis, then formation of 2 mole of C6H12O6. Here formation of glucose, 2 mole of what? Glucose. Then maltose gives 2 mole of the glucose. Here we are having the starch. This is our industrial methods. It is the industrial synthetic methods. Preparation of the glucose, that is what? N mole. You can take N mole of this. We can say this is the starch N mole, and this formation of N C6H12O6. This is nothing but formation of polymer. Monomer. This is nothing but monomer से polymer से dimer. This is this is the monomer. Monomer से disaccharide formation किया. What is the word? I am writing this word as saccharide. Disaccharide. So the meaning of the saccharide, the saccharide, we know the saccharide in Marathi, saccharide. This is the sweet in taste, saccharide. You can say this is the saccharide. Monomer say dimer, dipolymer, this is disaccharide, and this is the again the polymer say monomer. This formation of what glucose. अब यहाँ पे जो ग्लूकोज मिला इसमें एक्सेस ऑफ सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड होगा, एक्सेस होगा, कौन होगा सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड। तो अब इसको एक्सेस सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड में हमको यहाँ पे मतलब ये एसिडिक कंडीशन है, इसको न्यूट्रलाइज करना है तो यहाँ पे हमको ऐड करना पड़ेगा chalk पाउडर। कौन सा पाउडर? chalk पाउडर, दैट इज containing the calcium and we have to separate the in the form of calcium sulfate, it act as the impurities and the formation of their pure form, but again it goes to having some color, you know, so the color it is again what which containing this what it is not a good nature, so that why we can decolorize, तो इसको decolorize करना पड़ेगा। decolorize करने के लिए decolorize करण्यासाठी आपल्याला तिथं activated charcoal यूज करावा लागेल। कुठला charcoal? activated, we can add the activated charcoal, यहाँ पे charcoal आपको यूज करना है, activated charcoal, so that is nothing but addition of chalk powder and activated charcoal for neutralization and decolorization. So we can add chalk powder and activated charcoal for the that is neutralization followed by decolorization, neutralization followed by decolorization। तो यहाँ पे जो फॉर्म हुआ वो हुआ इंडस्ट्रियल प्रोसेस फ्रॉम द पोटैटोज by adding this nothing but it's containing the starch, so this is what one of the most important method as an industrial method for the preparation of the glucose. Laboratory method from sucrose, maltose, and the industrial method from starch by addition of sulfuric acid and finalized for the neutralization and decolorization using what? By using chalk powder and activated charcoal. Okay, here अब इथं आपण काय केलं होतं, फॉर्मेशन केलं होतं ग्लुकोजचं। तर आता ग्लुकोजच्या कुठल्या रिएक्शन आहेत ते आपल्याला बघायचं आहे। ग्लुकोज सोबत कुठल्या रिएक्शन फॉर्म होतात, कुठले टेस्ट फॉर्म होतात, कुठल्या रिएक्शन फॉर्म होत नाही, ग्लुकोजचं स्ट्रक्चर कसं आहे। ओके, so how what is the structure of the glucose? यहाँ पे देखेंगे, देखो, see we know that this molecular formula of the glucose is what? This is what C6, we know that C6H12O6. So that is I'm writing this is the structural form in the form of structure carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3 and carbon 4. So that is one of the hydroxyl group is here and one hydroxyl group is at left side. This carbon number first, carbon second, carbon third one, fourth one, fifth one and the sixth one. Here is what a hydroxyl group here, and right hand side, this right hand side is hydrogen atom, this hydrogen atom, this hydrogen atom, this hydrogen atom. So here the focus on the third number of the carbon atom, we have to write in this is the left hand side. Okay, this is the left hand side. तो ये जो फार्मूला हुआ एक किसका हुआ, C6H12O6, this is the formula for the glucose molecule. Okay, it's not only glucose but also fructose, but this is the glucose. In fructose there is a carbonyl group is present, carbonyl group is present, here is the alcohol. So यहाँ पे कितने हाइड्रोक्सी ग्रुप है, 4 हाइड्रोक्सी ग्रुप है, 4 हाइड्रोक्सी ग्रुप, that is nothing but secondary alcohol. Of 4 secondary alcohol and 1 primary alcohol, 1 primary alcohol, and this is what a free CHO group, that is nothing but free aldehyde group. This is nothing but what a aldehyde group. So this is nothing but what a glucose. आता या ग्लुकोज सोबत आपल्याला रिएक्शन करायचं आहे, तर हा ग्लुकोज हा कुठला फॉर्म आहे, तर ग्लुकोजचा हा फिशर प्रोडक्शन फॉर्म्युला आहे। आता स्टँडर्ड 11 मध्ये आपण शिकलो असेल न्यूमन फॉर्म्युला, सहास फॉर्म्युला, फिशर फॉर्म्युला है ना। सो दीज आर वन ऑफ द फॉर्म्युला, दिस इज नथिंग बट व्हाट अ फिशर फॉर्म्युला। आणि इथे एक नवीन कन्सेप्ट तुम्हाला या इयर मध्ये या सिलेबस मध्ये आहे, जी आहे की हावर्थ प्रोजेक्शन फॉर्म्युला, दॅट इज व्हाट अ हावर्थ प्रोजेक्शन फॉर्म्युला। तर त्या हावर्थ प्रोजेक्शन फॉर्म्युला कन्सेप्ट ती पण आपण बघणार आहोत। So here we will see that is what point of this addition of which types of the reactions are participate or which one of the reactor or reagent, that is the reducing reagent as well as oxidizing reagent are participate for reaction with what a glucose molecule. First of all we can take this what a hydroiodic acid, this what a hydrogen iodide, this hydroiodic acid reducing agent. So what about again you can take this word H2N, this is what a H2NOH hydroxyamine, again you have the addition of this word hydrogen cyanide, this is the hydrogen cyanide, it is used as a reducing agent. Again, using water, you can add this is water AC2O, and then AC2O, or you can take out ACCl. This is water acetyl chloride, ACCl. So that is what, again with the addition of this is what acetic and acetyl chloride. Then what next one, you can take this one of this bromine and water. Bromine and water, again with the addition of what HNO3 nitric acid. So these are the strong reducing agent. This is this is a strong oxidizing reagent, and this is the mild oxidizing reagent. So these are reagents are used with what glucose molecule. First of all, hydrochloric acid is used glucose, and formation of what there is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. That is the formation of what N-hexane. So according to this reaction, we have been the proof here that glucose contains 6 carbon atom. या रिएक्शन वरून आपल्याला असं प्रूफ भेटतंय की ग्लुकोज मध्ये 6 कार्बन ॲटम आहे. 1 2 3 4 5 6 here formation of N-hexane. Action of the hydrochloric acid with what glucose molecule. So the addition of this NH2OH hydroxyamine is here. So what about this hydroxyamine is reacted with water, this glucose molecule, formation of what there is not this NH2, this loss of water molecule from here, this oxygen from here, and this H from this is nothing but what nucleophilic addition reaction is takes place. So what about here formation of C, here C double bond young, and यहाँ पे OH आएगा. This is nothing but hydrogen atom. This OH taken 4 times is as it is, and this is CH2OH is as it is. And nothing but formation of what the types of the compound is nothing but what glucose. The name is what glucose oxide. इसका नाम है glucose oxide. So the next point is that the addition of the hydrogen cyanide is again what Cn is negative and this is positive, having a nucleophilic in nature, attached to this carbon atom. This pi bond is again break, and this one the formation of again what happened here. This is the generation of the compound here. SO become to H, and this is the cyanide. This hydrogen atom is as it is. OH having the how many times? 4 times OH. Here secondary alcohol is as it is. Primary alcohol is also as it is here. Formation of what the types of the compound is nothing but what glucose cyanohydrin. इथं काय तयार झाला glucose cyanohydrin formation झाला आहे. The addition of the hydrogen cyanide. Next you have to addition of the acetic anhydride. So here how many OH? So that is the 4 secondary alcohol and 1 primary alcohol. That's why we must use this is the 5 acetic anhydride. So that is 5 acetic anhydride, 5 acetyl chloride. यहाँ पे ऑक्साइन का जो रिएक्शन हमने किया हायड्रॉक्सीअमाइन, दी फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द ग्लुकोज ऑक्साइड. तर इथं आपण अल्डिहाइड आणि कीटोन मध्ये एक रिएक्शन बघितली होती बघा. कार्बोनिल कंपाऊंड सोबत आपण हायड्रॉक्सीअमाइन रिएक्ट केला होता, फॉर्मेशन ऑक्साइन तयार झाला होता. तर ऑक्साइन हा अल्डाऑक्साइन असतो आणि कीटॉक्साइन असतो. त्यानंतर आपण त्याच्या सोबत जर H+ ऍड केला तर फॉर्मेशन लॅक्टम तयार होतो, अमाइड तयार होतो. दैट टाइप्स ऑफ द रिएक्शन इज नोन एज व्हाट? Which one reaction? This is nothing but Beckmann reaction. That is what a Beckmann reaction. So here addition of the 5 mole of acetic anhydride acetyl chloride, then formation of what? This is nothing but CHO aldehyde group is as it is here. OC double bond OCH3. That is nothing but what? H. How many times? 4 times. So that is 4 times again what? OC double bond OCH3. So one of the computer exam you have to ask this one oxygen and CH2 atom here. Sorry, here this is nothing but what? CH2 is here. That is CH2 and this OC double bond OCH3. That is nothing but what? OCOCH3. So that is how many times? 1 time. So these are formation of glucose pentacetate. काय formation झाला? Glucose pentacetate. आता बघा glucose pentacetate formation झाला आहे. Computer one of the computer exam one of the question have been asked in the previous year. That is what I think that the exam is what NEET JEE or CET. तो क्वेश्चन ऐसा था कि ग्लूकोज मॉलिक्यूल का मॉलिक्यूलर वेट, ग्लूकोज मॉलिक्यूल का मॉलिक्यूलर वेट आफ्टर एडिशन ऑफ द ग्लूकोज आफ्टर एडिशन ऑफ acetic anhydride or acetyl chloride. मतलब 5 moles of acetyl chloride is reacted to the glucose molecule. उसका मतलब एडिशन करने के बाद रिएक्शन होने के बाद उसका मॉलिक्यूलर वेट कितना रहेगा, ऐसा आपको एक क्वेश्चन थिंक JEE CET और नीट एग्जाम में नीट और JEE में पूछा गया था. तो वेरी सिंपल, क्या करना था, यहाँ का हाइड्रोजन है, इसका मॉलिक्यूलर वेट निकालना है. यहाँ का हाइड्रोजन कितना हाइड्रोजन है? 1 2 3 4 5 हाइड्रोजन रिप्लेस करके आपको सिर्फ क्या करना है, यहाँ पे COCH3 ये ग्रुप लगाना है. इसका मॉलिक्यूलर वेट ये हाइड्रोजन मतलब 5 हाइड्रोजन लॉस करके जितना भी इसका मॉलिक्यूलर वेट होगा उसमें से पायो लॉस करना है. मतलब हम कंसीडर करते हैं x, ग्लूकोज का मॉलिक्यूलर वेट है x माइनस, यहाँ से क्या करना पड़ेगा -5 बिकॉज ऑफ द हाइड्रोजन एटम, एंड प्लस इसका